Alright class, today we're going to learn about natural resources and how humans use them in our everyday lives. Natural resources are materials that come from the earth, and we use them in many ways, especially in construction, agriculture, transportation, and to make products. Let's explore how these resources help us and how important it is to manage them wisely. First, let's talk about construction. When we build things like houses, schools, and roads, we use natural resources such as wood, stone, metal, and sand. Wood comes from trees, which is a renewable resource because we can plant new trees to replace the ones we cut down. Stone and metal come from the earth, and they help make our buildings strong. Even the concrete used to build roads is made from sand, a resource found naturally on earth. Next, let's look at agriculture. Agriculture is how we grow the food we eat, and it relies on natural resources like soil, water, and sunlight. Farmers use these resources to grow fruits, vegetables, and grains. Soil provides the nutrients plants need to grow, while water helps keep them healthy. Sunlight is essential for plants to make their food through photosynthesis. Without these natural resources, we wouldn't have the food we need to survive. Transportation is another area where humans depend on natural resources. Cars, trains, and airplanes need fuel to run, and that fuel comes from natural resources like oil and natural gas. These resources are called non-renewable resources because once they're used up, they can't be replaced. This is why it's so important to manage them carefully. Some people are now using renewable resources like electricity from the sun or wind to power vehicles, which helps protect our planet by reducing pollution. Finally, let's talk about how natural resources are used to make the products we use every day. Look around you. Almost everything you see is made from natural resources. For example, the paper in your notebooks comes from trees, plastic bottles come from oil, and even the clothes you wear are made from cotton, which is a plant. Factories take these natural resources and turn them into the things we need and use, like toys, tools, and furniture. It's clear that natural resources are super important to our daily lives, but because some of them can run out, we need to manage them carefully. That means finding ways to use resources wisely, recycle what we can, and look for new ways to do things using renewable resources. Now, here's something to think about. If we keep using up non-renewable resources like oil and natural gas, what do you think will happen in the future? How can we make sure we still have the resources we need for transportation, construction, and growing food?